Hello everyone on the internet, and welcome back to another video on my channel. In this video we're going to look at an NBT tag called locational names, or lock name for short. I'm going to show you it for 1.12 and for 1.13, just in case you play in those snapshots and want to learn it for that too. So let's get straight into it. First I'm just going to give myself a shield. That's all well and good. Notice its name is just shield. And I'm going to give myself a diamond with a locational name of the shield of item dot shield dot name. Now if an item has multiple stuff like by default, like for example a lore or something else like that, then you'll have to replace this name with something like that. This is the actual name of the item internally. So if I want sugarcane, I don't do item.sugarcane.name, because if you notice, that won't work. Because for sugarcane, I'll have to put item.breeds.name, and this should work. See? Just like that. Now I'm going to change it back to shield. And that's all well and good. A diamond named shield. Now note, these are named the exact same thing, but it's not only the name that changed. If I change my language to, say, Spanish. Wait a second. You see that both of them change. So it changes them to item names per language. And of course, this bases on your lang file. So if you make a custom internal name inside a lang file using a resource pack, then you could make your own locational names that change dependent on language. So if I just change back to English here, if I can find it. Wait a second. And there we go. But having it change between languages is all well and good, but as you saw when the sugar_cane didn't work, you can use the locational name as a custom name. You see, given gem of the ocean to H2 Firemaster, not diamond named gem of the ocean. If I look, here's a normal name, what most map creators use. Notice that the normal name, what most map creators use, is in italic. Also, if I get myself some experience here, notice that if I name this gem of the ocean diamond, that name becomes slanted. But if I name this just back to its default, it changes to diamond. Now they're switched around. Now if I get a little more experience, if I name this back to its default, you see it actually changes the default. Then if I change this to gem of the ocean, and it doesn't change the default. So this locational names are really powerful, but map creators are still still using custom names. And this wasn't even added recently. This was added kind of recently, actually, but it was added in 1.11 snapshots. In the 1.11 snapshots, locational names were added. And I've only found like 4 to 5 people who's actually found out about this. So comment below if you already knew about this. So now I'm going to and now I showed you all the commands. Now I showed you all the commands. Give at P shield 1. Give at P diamond 1 0. Display lock name. Item.shield.name. And then for the Gem of the Ocean, give at P Minecraft Diamond 1 0. Display lock name Gem of the Ocean. And then give at P Diamond 1 0 display name Gem of the Ocean is what most people use. And then this is just a simple XP command, and this just removes it. Now, on to 1.13. I will be right back. Okay, I am back. This time in 1.13. And so now I'll show you the commands for 1.13. As you can see up there, I'm in snapshot. As you can see up there, I'm in snapshot 17W45B, which is the most recent 1.13 snapshot at the time of recording this. So the commands for 1.13 are slightly different. The shield command is still the same, and by the way, the command outputs are kind of messed up in 1.13, but really no big deal. As you can see, the give command is exactly the same. Give at P shield 1. If I just /clear here. So give at P shield 1. And then here's the other one. Give at P Minecraft Diamond, but instead of the 1 space 0 space we're all used to, you put the count after the MBT tag, and you put the MBT tag with no space after the item name. As you see, now this works just as fine. And the Gem of the Ocean works just like that. The custom name, oops, I didn't mean to click the button twice, works just like that. Then the experience is just XP add at P2 levels, or XP remove, or XP add at P -2 levels. So if you see, if I go into survival here, I get 2 levels, lose 2 levels. So that's pretty much all I have to show today. If you did enjoy the video, please smash that like button. And if you want to see more content like this, subscribe and hit that bell to see when my next video comes out. So, anyway, once you've done all that, I will see you in my next video. Goodbye.